Introducing the AWS-3002-LC Torque Tester, a powerful and versatile testing solution designed to meet the rigorous demands of today's production facilities. This advanced torque tester from Advanced Witness series combines precision, reliability, and ease of use to elevate your quality control processes. With single-step access to all functions, the AWS-3002-LC Torque Tester ensures effortless operation and minimizes training time for your team. Its bidirectional accuracy of 0.5% of the indicated reading delivers highly precise and consistent measurements, enhancing the reliability of your testing results. The AWS-3002-LC offers eight available engineering units, including AWS in LB, in LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, kgfcm, GFCM, and kgfm, providing versatility to accommodate various applications. This torque tester features three modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak, allowing you to tailor the testing process to your specific requirements. The RS-232 output enables seamless data transfer and integration with other systems, facilitating efficient data management and analysis. With a torque range of 20-200 AWS, in a drive size of 1/4-inch SQ, and an accuracy of plus 0.5%, the AWS-3002-LC Torque Tester is the ultimate tool for quality control professionals. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the ultimate in precision and reliability. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AWS-3002-LC Torque Tester.